They stepped onto the rostrum and talked about Ivan Denisovich. They said happily that the book had eased their consciences. That's what they said. They admitted that the picture I painted was decidedly on the bright side, that every one of them knew of camps worse than that. So they did know. Of the 70 people seated around that horseshoe, several turned out to be knowledgeable in literature, even to be readers of Novy Mir. They were eager for reform. They spoke forcefully about our social ulcers, about our neglect of our rural areas. And I sat there and thought, if the first tiny droplet of truth has exploded like a psychological bomb, then what will happen in our country when whole waterfalls of truth burst forth? And they will burst forth. It has to happen.